I used to work in maybe back in the early 70s, but then
Most
they have
of
different type of history. Yeah. I mean, we have it with Rockefeller. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. My daughter, the one who lives in Idaho, it's like we have a farm, a house on our farm.
That's what it's nice on our love guys. And you know, it's
Yes. Brian.
The Rockefellers were here first and then donated the land to the...
Oh, okay, it was their farm.
Yes, it's their farm. So, yeah.
So is the entity an entity
Of its own, pretty much. I mean, yeah, there's different entities within, like the Stone Barn, and I mean, there's a couple different ones. Yeah. I think that's kind of commingled. There's a different entity that's basically across the road over there. You can't see. They're called Green Rock. I don't know why. That's just what they're called. But their job is a lot of maintenance on certain trails. I think they kind of split them up, but they'll mow and fix potholes and do all that, trim trees, all that kind of stuff. And then the state park also, you may see them. They drive around in trucks and kind of regulate the rules and make sure everyone's, you know, there are several rules that they ask people to follow when they're on the trails. You know, dogs on a leash and, you know, no bicycles. Just different rules like that. Keep your clothes on.